Hey everyone, Josh here, or the Hammock Caver, and as you can see we're in a dark room, probably because no light gets in here. Speaking of lights, we are testing the new Wisdom 4A lamp that was sent to me by Wisdom Mining Lights, based out of the Hong Kong area in China. They do have a US distributor, I can put the link in the description. But anyway, this light retails for around $150. And this is my first time using it in a cave, and today we're going to show you the illumination settings in it. So far I've been really impressed. It's been my primary light in this trip, and we've gotten pretty far back here, and it's a good light. So we're going to show you the low setting here. This is low, and then we're going to hit medium. And then we're going to do high. High is right around 530 lumens or so, but it's got a huge lux factor. So the way the optical reflector set the beam distance for this light is actually really impressive. We'll actually show a beam throw here in a second. Alright, so here we are. We have the Wisdom 4A lamp hard mounted to my helmet, and I'm currently using it in the high mode, which is 533 lumens and 25,000 lux output. The LED in this lamp is a Cree S5 unit, and in this setting, which we have kept during the entirety of our 4-hour trip, this light never overheated and worked flawlessly. In the high setting, we have an operating time of around 5 hours, which increases to 134 hours in its medium mode, which is 265 lumens and 12,000 lux. Currently, this light is IP68 certified, runs on 7,000 mAh permanently installed 18650 batteries with a MagnaCharge technology, polycarbonate shell, adjustable clip, and a water resistance rating of a whopping 50 meters. Alright, so that is the review in a nutshell. Overall, I'm very impressed, as you would see, or with Jeff Cody, he was very impressed with his as well. First time use in a cave, and it has not failed me. I have it hard mounted to my helmet. And overall, just a very impressive light, very lightweight. The magnetic charge port is also very handy, so there's no batteries to deal with, anything like that. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.